Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to solve this problem. This is a very important problem. We will solve this problem using a very useful trick. You please try to remember the trick. Whenever you will see some integration of this format, you should use this trick and that problem can easily be solved. To use the trick, you need to see the format of the integral first. So first criteria of using this trick is number one, numerator and denominator both should be polynomial functions. Okay, and number two is the highest power of x in the numerator is 1 and the highest power of x in denominator should be 2. These two criteria should be satisfied. Then you can use the trick. The trick is following: the numerator is equal to L into differentiation of denominator plus m. Now here in this integral you can see that both the numerator and the denominator both are polynomial functions and the highest power of x is 1, highest power of x is 2. Okay, so we can use this trick. So according to this trick, numerator, that is x plus 1, into L into differentiation d dx of the denominator 3 plus 2x minus x square plus m. Okay, L and m both are constants. L comma n are constants. We don't know the value of L and m, we have to find them. Okay, so I think this trick is clear. The trick is numerator is equal to L into differentiation of the denominator plus m, provided these two conditions are satisfied. Okay, now let's solve this problem. So x plus 1, that is equal to L into d dx of this means 2 minus 2x plus m. Okay, now x plus 1, that is equal to minus 2lx plus 2l plus m. Okay, here I am just keeping the terms involving x together and other constant terms together, so that LHS, the format of LHS and the format of RHS can be similar. Okay, so now the format of LHS and RHS both are same, so we can just compare the coefficient on both LHS, RHS. Okay, now if we compare, we will get that minus 2l, that is equal to 1. So the coefficient of x on RHS is minus 2l and LHS is 1, so that's why this is coming, and 2l plus m, that is equal to 1. Now we are having two equations. From these two equations you can find out the value of L and m very easily. L will be minus half and m will be, if you just put the value of L here, it will be 2. Okay, so finally we are having integration x plus 1 divided by 3 plus 2x minus x squared dx. This integration we can write it as, we just got the value of L and m and we started with x equal to L into this plus m, so we can substitute the value of x plus y, that means the numerator, in this integration. So integration of minus half 2 minus 2x plus 2 divided by 3 plus 2x minus x squared dx. I just substituted the value and put the value of L and m in this equation. Okay, now this we can write it as integration minus half will be there. Okay, minus half is there, so I am just dividing this denominator into each of these terms. So this by this plus this by this, so 2 minus 2x by 3 plus 2x minus x squared dx plus integration of 2 by 3 plus 2x minus x squared dx. Now we are getting two integrations, this and this. Okay, now to integrate this integration, we are going to use the substitution method of integration. So I am going to substitute 3 plus x minus x square, the whole denominator, by z. Okay, now if you just differentiate, it is going to be 2 minus 2x dx, that is going to be dz. I am just differentiating. So here you can see that this quantity is actually present in the numerator. So this integration is going to be minus half integration dz by z, and the other integration, it is already there, 2 by 3 plus 2x minus x square dx. This is already there. Now this integration is very simple. It is going to be log of mod z, isn't it? So it is half log of mod z, and this integration we need to do. For that, we are arranging this denominator as following, that 2 by, I am writing this 3 as 4 minus 1. So it is 4 minus x square minus 2x plus 1. See, this is matching, isn't it? So this is dx. Now minus half log of mod z, this is already done, and here we can write it as, this is 2 square minus x minus 1 whole square. I am actually rearranging this term, this integration, in the format of dx by a square minus x square. Okay, so because we have a formula for that kind of format, for that kind of integration, so that is a standard formula. You please try to remember those formulas. You can find it in any book. So this is already done, and this formula is actually 1 by 2 into 2 log of 2 plus x minus 1 divided by 2 minus x plus 1 plus c. Okay, this c is the integration constant, because this integration is an indefinite integral. That's why this integration constant is coming. Okay, now we are almost done. So I am just going to substitute the value of z. Okay, so it is going to be log of mod 3 minus 3 plus 2x minus x square, and then this is going to be half of log 2 plus x minus 1, 2 minus x plus 1 plus c. Okay, now here you can simplify further, that it is going to be, so it is log a minus log b. So log of a by b, that is the formula. So 2 plus x minus 1 divided by 2 minus x plus 1, this into 3 plus 2x minus x square. Now here you can simplify. So this is going to be x plus 1, and this is going to be 3 minus x. So finally we are having x plus 1 divided by 3 minus x, and this is a quadratic, expression. So if you just factorize it, it is going to be x plus 1 and 3 minus x. Now this x plus 1 and x plus 1, these two will get cancelled. Finally you are going to have, so this is 3 minus x whole square. If you just put this factor on the numerator, it is going to be half log mod 3 minus x to the power minus 2 plus c. So if anything is in the power inside log, this will come here. So 2 and half, that will get cancelled. So the final answer will be minus log of mod 3 minus x plus c. So these are mere calculations, you can do it on your own. So this is the final answer. Okay, so your task is to check this formula, a square minus dx by a square minus a square minus x square. Okay, that formula we already have, that is a standard formula. So you please go in and check in any book. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. I will see you in the next video.